Let's talk about accuracy and precision. In science, especially in chemistry, accuracy and precision describe two different but equally important aspects of measurement quality. Accuracy refers to how close a measured value is to the true or accepted value, while precision refers to how closely repeated measurements agree with each other, regardless of whether they are correct. For example, imagine you are titrating an acid with a base in the laboratory. If the accepted concentration of the acid is 0.100 m and your result is 0.099 m, your measurement is accurate because it's very close to the true value. But if you perform 3 trials and obtain 0.099 molar, 0.099 molar, and 0.100 molar, then your results are both accurate and precise. On the other hand, if your results are 0.080 molar, 0.081 molar, and 0.080 molar, they are precise but not accurate. You're consistently wrong in the same direction. A simple analogy helps clarify this. Think of throwing darts at a target. If your darts cluster tightly together but miss the bullseye, you are precise but not accurate. If they scatter all over but average around the center, you are accurate on average but not precise. The ideal case is when all your darts are close together and near the bullseye, both accurate and precise.